Hi there, I'm doing another live today. My name is Caroline Douthwaite from Snowball Assets. I'm just here walking through Queenstown. Someone coughing behind me, so I'm kind of trying to get out of the way a little bit. Yeah, I've got a lot of friends who are trying to make money at the moment. Always had jobs, and I'm saying to them, why don't you just try and make some money online? And a lot of them don't really take it seriously. And I think it really comes down to people who, who generally have this employee mentality that's handed down through the last few generations. But you've got to realise we're not in this industrial age anymore. Times have changed. I was watching something by Mike Maloney. If you ever want to watch or learn about money, watch Mike Maloney, The Hidden Secrets of Money on YouTube. It is fucking awesome. It's really, really good. Tells you everything you need to know. You will never be rich or financially free unless you understand what money is, how currency is made, so on and so forth. But yeah, he was talking about one of his dad's tax returns from back in the 60s. And his dad was a mechanic, a manager of this mechanic shop. And he made, I think it was like $12,000 a year. And his home cost $9,000. So in 2 years, he could have his house paid off. I mean, it's not like that these days, But what actually happens is there's been so much currency added to the economy, but there's no more extra goods and services. And at the time of coronavirus, they are printing so much money. It's insane, and it's all credit. I mean, it's not physically being printed. It's all debt that's being created by banks. And the more they print, and and not adding any more goods and services, the more it dilutes the value of the currency. And it's getting less and less and less. I mean, I'm here in Queenstown. What a beautiful place. I'll just have a quick look around. In Queenstown here, it's dead. But yeah, it's crazy because you need about $200,000 for a deposit for a house. I mean, it's just nuts. It was never like that. So if you played the money, the game of going to work and trading your time for money, well, you can do that if you want to, but the amount of money that you make is very difficult to ever be financially free. People are lasting a week or 2 weeks and not having any money. Do you want to have a life like that? Because there isn't a better time than now to actually start creating a freedom for yourself by learning how to make money online. There's so many ways you can do it. Affiliate marketing, drop shipping, have an expert business.